Exporting your help desk data to CSV is a great way to back it up in case of any issues with your current software. Or you can use CSV files to enrich your database. Here's how to migrate your help desk data to CSV. First, sign into your Migration Wizard account. Then choose Start Demo Migration. Connect your source help desk. Moving forward, pick up CSV as your target platform. Choose the source data you want to export to CSV. You can migrate both help desk and knowledge base objects. Then adjust ticket mapping. When you are done with that, map article fields. If you want to customize your data export to CSV, choose any available automated options. Press on Continue to start the demo export. When the demo is complete, download dumps for all migrated records. Carefully check if the formatting is correct and if there are all the necessary columns. When you are done reviewing, press Proceed to Payment and get your data in CSV.